It's an unboxing video of the g1100 NOCO GENIUS battery charger. So you get the charger, so in the box you get your charger, and it can charge normal lead acid batteries at 12 volts and normal 6 volt lead acid batteries, and it also can charge 12 volt lithium-ion batteries. I believe the older model doesn't charge lithium. And the power cable is about 190 centimeters long to the box, and the wires from the box are 130 centimeters. They come with this type of connector on them, which has a little rubber gasket. I believe the whole unit is waterproof, and the crocodile clip cable, whatever you want to call it, that is it's about 60 centimeters long. And you only get one cable like this with the crocodile clips on the end. You don't get a separate cable to attach permanently to your battery, but you can remove these Allen screws here. I believe that would bolt straight onto the battery. Also comes with a couple of screws, so you can screw it to your bench or your wall or whatever. You just screw it through these two holes here, that one there and that one there. And obviously you get your instructions of how to use it. That's pretty much it. So I'll be fitting this to my MT10. Right, that's the charger fitted on my MT10. I've done it so my plug is here on my towel tidy. It just sits there like that. And then it goes through where all the indicator wiring comes. And the black wire goes along here. The red wire goes on there. I made a little slit in the boot to put the ring connector through, and that's it. So instead of taking the seat off every time, I just get back, pull that down, connect it up, and then when I'm finished, put it back up there. That's it. Find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos on the MT10.